I Want Body Texture Spray. Now this is one of our most innovative products in the range. This is a combination of sea salt and volume powder. Now to activate this product, you need to shake to activate. Now this gives the hair the grit and body and texture I'm after. Whether I'm styling hair, whether I'm trying to create an updo, or anything I want to create volume and texture, this is my go-to product. Now, how I normally use this product myself, you can either use it in wet or damp hair, or in dry hair. So basically you go through, spray through the roots, and then through to the ends. Just continue working through. Now some of the key ingredients in this product, which make it work so well, are hydrolyzed keratin, that repairs the hair, hydrolyzed wheat, soy and corn proteins to strengthen the hair. Now the bentonite is what creates the dry texture I'm after. Continue working that through, go through the other side. Now I'll go through and dry this off and you'll see some of the texture and grit it will create for me. So there you have it, we've blow dried into the hair. It's created a beautiful, nice, soft texture. It's got some grit throughout the hair. I just want to show you how I apply it to dry hair. It goes in really dry and really matte. I'll spray into my hands and I can just feel the beautiful texture. It's got a combination of volume powder and sea salt, but it just dries straight into the hands. So apply it to the hair. Don't be afraid to apply this into the hair because it does dry in. Some people are afraid and think, oh, it's going to wet, it's going to weigh the hair down, but it doesn't. It really does absorb it and dries in really well, and it does give you that beautiful texture you're after in the hair. There you have it. I Want Body Texture Spray.